Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. And on today's episode, we're going to be working on the Scout again. We're going to be cleaning it up a little bit, removing our front bumper, and we're also going to be working on the hood because it's not opening right. So stick around if you'd like to check it out. All right, you guys. So the first thing that I actually did right here before I did anything right here is this was sitting up in the mountains for a while. So it had a bunch of pine needles and animal droppings and stuff like that. It was not nice. So I went ahead and first thing I did is I cleaned out the cowl area right here. In order to clean out the cowl on these, a really cool feature is you can just take out, there's Phillips head screws that run the top portion right here. You just take those all out, and then this whole panel will slide out, and you can clean everything out of here. So we already went ahead and got it all cleaned out and bleached out and everything, so it should be all nice and clean. Now the next step is I'm going to move to the front, and where the front bumper is right there, there's a little more droppings and pine needles and stuff like that in there. So we're going to mix up some bleach, we're going to get our protective gear on, we're going to get that cleaned out, and then from there, then we're going to start working on the engine stuff and get this moved back into the garage right here. Alright guys, in order to get this hood closing properly, I'm going to try and adjust these bolts. These are 1/2 inch bolts right here. So we're going to go ahead and loosen these, try and slide it down a little bit, and then we'll test it here. Alright guys, so now that I got the hinges on both sides adjusted as much as I can, now I'm going to move up to the spring right here. I just took a adjustable wrench and loosened, there's a nut inside of here, so I went and loosened that, so now I should be able to go on ahead and take this off right here. Alright you guys, so here's the spring that we just took off of here. Here is the new spring that I just ordered online right here. So this is a spring from I believe it's a mid 80s to early 90s Chevy truck right here. So the only thing I'm going to need to do in order to try and use this is I'm going to need to cut off this tab right here and then cut off this tab right here. So we'll get these cut off right here. I'll probably just use a hacksaw on it, and then we'll try and get this installed and see if this will help pop the hood up a little bit better than this old spring does right here. So alright guys, so we got this modified right here, so we're going to go on ahead and try and get this on the truck here. Alright guys, so the spring right here is becoming a little bit hard to install here, so I compressed it a little bit with some zip ties. It's not like a coil spring or anything, so it doesn't have much tension on it, but this will help me get it installed, and then I can clip those off when I'm done. Alright you guys, so as you can see, the hood pops up now when I go to open it, so now I can go on ahead and do that. So now that that's fixed, that'll make it a lot easier, so I don't have to have a screwdriver to pop it open every time. So I think that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.